Pinoy creativity on full display sa katatapos lamang na Manila International Fashion Week. Ipinamalas ng mga lokal at international designers ang kanilang pinakabagong obra. Silipin natin ang eksklusibong kaganapan na ito. Let's all watch this.
Angat na naman ang mga likhang Pinoy. Yan ay sa katatapos lamang na Manila International Fashion Week na ginanap sa isang hotel and casino sa Parañaque City. Isa itong annual fashion event na nagpapakilala sa mga latest na koleksyon mula sa mga local designers at maging international designers.
Number one ko naman talagang advocacy is to promote yung Philippine tourism and of course yung mga textile natin, yung kung anong merong sa Pilipinas, yung fashion natin. So kasi I believe na talaga nakaka-proud and napakaraming potential sa international.
Sa ika-6 na season ng MIFW ay mas pinalawak pa ito dahil 10 bansa ang nagpadala ng kanilang representatives para makilahok dito. Ilan sa mga bansang ito ay ang Indonesia, Russia, Japan, Australia at Malaysia.
This is an amazing opportunity for us to collaborate the Southeast Asia, Malaysia, Philippines, and we look forward to many more participation in terms of designs, fashion design, craftsmen, artisans.
I was so impressed with the designers, both the Filipino designers and of course the international designers. Today we have a designer from Malaysia on jewelry, Jonathan Yoon. At the same time also we have also participation from the Fashion Chambers of Malaysia. I think it's a great way to be able to again showcase the wonderful creative designs and of course the talent we have in ASEAN, especially in Philippines and Malaysia and many other countries present here today. I hope this can be further developed and of course we hope to see many more of this Manila International Fashion Week.
Nagsama-sama sa prestihiyosong event na ito ang mga fashion icons, international models, established and aspiring models, and top designers na nagpapatunay na hindi lamang pang-lokal ang mga obrang Pinoy kundi pang-international na rin.
Isang malaking kaligayahan to. Talagang napakasaya ko dahil naging part ako nito. And binabati ko si Benz Bello. Congratulations sa matagumpay na Fashion Week. Konbawa minasang, domo arigatou gozaimasu.
Huwag tayong mag-hesitate na makipag-collaborate and continue lang ang dream natin, especially yung mga sa creative industry. Pagpatuloy natin, continue your dreams and alam ko naman na kaya natin yan and maraming tao na pwedeng tumulong, lalo-lalo na this kind of platform. Nandito kami, pwede nyo kami i-approach para i-showcase yung talent, lalong-lalo na sa fashion industry.